Eid is in 5 days and your skin is not ready yet? Oh my god! Watch this right now. Hey beautiful, welcome to Bloom Beauty. I am starting a 5 days Eid glow up challenge. Do this with me every day and on Eid you will be glowing. Skin to chamkegi. First thing, water. Drink 8 glasses every single day. Glowing skin starts from inside. This one habit alone will change your skin before Eid. Number 2, sunscreen. It is summer and sun is destroying your skin. Every morning apply sunscreen. Sun damage is the number one reason for dull and dark skin. Now our day one glow mask. Tomato ka mask. You need just 3 things. 1 teaspoon tomato juice, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon besan. Mix it, apply on face, leave for 15 minutes, wash with cold water. Do this 3 times this week. Tomato removes tan and brightens skin. Honey kills bacteria and moisturizes. Besan removes dead skin. Completely natural, zero side effects. Now my secret tip. After washing face, never rub with towel. Just gently pat your skin. Rubbing causes wrinkles. कोई नहीं बताता ये, but it matters so much. And every night, rub ice cube on face for 2 minutes. Close pores, reduce puffiness, wake up glowing every morning. Try this before Eid, results will shock you. Comment below right now. Is your skin oily or dry? Tell me, I will give you personalized tips tomorrow. Tomorrow, day 2, I am sharing the secret remedy for open pores that nobody knows. It takes only 5 minutes and results will shock you. Subscribe and hit the bell. See you tomorrow at 7 pm. Bye bye.